Hi everyone, welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. So today we are going to be doing a couple of activities for Christmas. The first one is going to be doing a Christmas tree made out of construction paper, googly eyes, paint, and a little bit of the cotton balls. So that's going to be project number 1. Project number 2 is going to be making a snowman out of a coffee filter, a couple of pom-poms, and then just some paper. So for the Christmas tree one, the things that you want to kind of get ahead is to have the number of cotton balls you want to use, the different construction paper that you want to use for the Christmas tree. I went ahead and cut out the star, and then I outlined the tree on a black canvas, and that way we can kind of see that it's at night. I used a white paint for some snowdrops that he's going to use a little bit with the Q-tip, and some buttons. So this time we did buttons, introduced something new, and then also just using the fine motor skills to put them onto the Christmas tree. We did this for ornaments, and then I did googly eyes and a smiley face to make the tree come alive. So when you have your toddler come out, I had my toddler rip up some pieces of paper too. So we both ripped up paper. It doesn't have to be any exact size, however big, however small you want to do it. And then I went ahead and made a glue outline of the tree and did a bunch of glue in between and told him to add construction paper anywhere that there is glue. So he had a lot of fun just pasting on all of the different little pieces of paper. Then we went ahead and added the snow at the bottom. I used cotton balls, and I did the exact amount. That way there wasn't too many, too few. So he did add those to the bottom. Next, we went ahead and added on the ornaments and the googly eyes and the smiley face. So he got to choose wherever he wanted to put the eyes, the mouth, and then the buttons for the ornaments. Lastly, we went ahead and added on some snow. So he took a Q-tip and dipped it into white paint and just made little dots all around the picture to emphasize snowing outside for Christmas. So the snowman project is a very simple, quick activity to do. However, it does continue to use and learn the fine motor skills. We did go ahead and use a coffee filter. He was able to glue that piece onto a blank canvas. And then he added and glued on a hat for the snowman, googly eyes, a carrot nose, and then pom-poms for a smiley face, however many he wanted to do. You can also add in counting and colors. So we counted how many pom-poms, we identified the colors. You can also identify shapes in here, all kinds of fun stuff while building a snowman.